Guys, today I'm taking a look at some cool bathroom scales with some very nice smart features. What makes these so cool? We'll find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the CS10A smart scale from Arboleaf. Now, if you don't know Arboleaf, they make a ton of products that leverage the latest tech to promote healthier lifestyles. I've had the pleasure of reviewing their smart food scales and their portable massager, and I can honestly say I'm a fan. Now guys, before we get into it, Arboleaf sent me these bathroom scales in exchange for my honest review. And you know what guys, whatever I review, you know you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So guys, let's get this out of the box and see what we have. Now guys, once you open the box up, you've got the scales on top. I'm just going to pop those out for a second. Now we have some instructions. We have a handle, which is a key part of these scales, which makes them more than just ordinary bathroom scales. This has a USB-C connector on the end. Then we have a USB-C charging cable and the scales themselves. Now guys, looking around these, they look very nice. You've got a USB-C port to plug in the handle or the charging cable, and you have a small reset button, which if anything goes a little bit quirky or whatever, you're going to have to push this, or you're definitely going to have to push this the first time you use it, because that kind of kicks it all into action. I just used a SIM ejection tool and all was good. Now guys, taking a look at these smart scales, and immediately you can see that these are like no ordinary scales. They have something called Pure BIA, which is bioresistance technology, and what that means is, compared to the common 4-point contact body fat scales that you kind of see most of the time, that only measure the lower extremities, Arboleaf's 8-point contact body fat scale will measure your limbs and torso to obtain and analyze real body composition data. Also guys, you get 4 high precision sensors to ensure precise and accurate measurement levels. The weight units can be freely switched, so you can switch this from pounds, kilograms, stone, whatever. You kind of do that via the app. Yeah, there's an app which I'm going to talk to you about in a second. And guys, if you want to just use these scales as some kind of not so smart scales, then you can remove the handle and just use it like normal. Now, in terms of what you can measure, well, this body composition monitor provides 13 measurements such as weight, BMI, body fat, body water content, muscle mass, bone mass, and you know what? Probably a lot more than that. And guys, not only does it do all of this, it can also analyze and measure trunk, upper and lower limbs on either side of your body. I mean, you can lose a whole weekend playing with this stuff. And if you're really into it, then you can even print and share your data. So that can be kind of cool. Now guys, onto that app which really unlocks the smarts. Once you download the app, you're going to need to sign up for an account. As it is normally the case with this sort of stuff, you're going to have to put in some personal details, height, weight, etc. In fact, the more details you put in, the better data you're actually going to get. Now, the nice thing about this app is it has different ways to connect. So you can choose Bluetooth, which will require you to open up the app every time you want to connect to the scales and get your readings, or you can actually use Wi-Fi, and then you're going to get all your measurements and all your readings, and you don't even have to open the app. You can just use your scales as you see fit, and all the data will be sent to the app via the cloud. That's progress, right? Now, I connected the app via Wi-Fi, I connected the handlebar, and I did my first measurement. And okay, So the weight, that's scary enough to look at, but all the other data, I mean, there is a lot of data. You can get as much or as little granularity as you want, and I can tell you that there is a lot of info in here for those that are really into this stuff. And as well as your dashboard and detailed reports, you could also set up tracking, set goals, and tons more. Plus guys, you can also set up for multiple profiles. So you know what? Others can use this software, this set of scales, and be shocked about their health and body composition, just like I was. But seriously guys, this is an amazing piece of kit, and it's definitely a game changer. So guys, that just about wraps this one up. These smart scales are a definite must if you just want to keep an eye on your weight, or if you're really into your fitness and want to track pretty much everything that's going on in your body composition. The app is very intuitive and took only 5 minutes or less probably to set up, and from that app you're going to get tons of data, and you really unlock the power in what just looks like a set of normal bathroom scales. Now, my only negative is that although the build quality of these scales is solid, my set does have some rough edges where I think it's perspex. I don't think it's glass, but it's where it meets the plastic. You know, it's rough edges, so just a little bit of a attention to build quality for something that's got so much tech in it. But guys, it's not a big deal. At around 90 British pounds, they're not the most expensive, and they're certainly not the most cheapest. But you know what? You're going to get every single bit of information and more that you could ever want to understand your body composition. Guys, if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. I'll leave any product descriptions and discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe, and please click on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to Arboleaf for sending me these rather cool and very smart scales to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.